Hello everybody, this is Sonya. Now, I've come on here today because I just wanted to talk to you about something. I'll just put that there for you to look at. I want to extend my challenge just to the end of the month, because I think I said by the 24th, and I know some things were late because we had Easter and everything, and I have been slack with, having Easter and everything, I suppose, getting things done, but I couldn't put them up if I didn't have them. So, but I said by the 24th, well, I'm happy to let it go till the end of the month, till the 30th or whatever, and then I will draw it then. I hope people don't mind that. And I do want to say to the people that said to me that they're sorry they only sent me one thing, that is fine. You're not to feel bad. You sharing one thing with me is just as nice and as kind as you said sharing more. And you must just understand that, okay? I don't want anybody to feel like they've underdone, because I only asked for the one thing, and there's people been generous enough to send me more, and I really appreciate that too. But I want you to know that everything or anything anybody sends me is really widely appreciated, because I really love I really love it all, okay? Which is widely appreciated is the right thing to say. I don't know, I didn't think it might have been put the wrong words together, but I'm just saying I don't want anybody to be upset and say that they felt bad because they didn't send me enough. Well, of course you did. Anything that you send me, it's enough. It's all enough, I promise you, okay? So thank you everybody for watching, and I think there was a couple of other things I had to address, and I can't remember what they were, because that happens, doesn't it, when you get on here. I know I haven't done a tutorial in a while, but I will get back on here. I'm starting to feel a little bit better with things, it's all right. I I couldn't believe how bad that affected me, and but I'm okay. I've got to there's lots of things in your life, sometimes you've got to deal with first as well, and I'm sure you understand that. We all want to craft 24/7, and that's not something we can do. So I hope you don't all take off on me when I leave, because I will be back, and there's lots up there for you to watch anyway. I've done so far. So if you click on the little bell near the bottom of my name there, it'll tell you every time I put a video up. If you click my name, Sonya Stepto, under my name, it'll take you to my videos. It'll take you to where all my videos are that I've made. So hopefully you can find more and learn more, and I will promise you get back here soon and show you more. Okay? I will craft with you, because I really enjoy that. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and we'll just go a little bit longer with the thing, because the things have been delayed. Okay? So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.